Hi, I'm Tim Scott, editor of RV Daily magazine. Now we've been on the road for the past few weeks filming our new TV series, Foodie Trails. Now we've been in convoy, and that means that we've needed effective communication, and to maintain that communication we've been using these smart Uniden in-car UHF radios. Now these have been fantastic for keeping in touch with each other because, as anyone who's travelled in convoy knows, that the convoy tends to get separated and you break up and you need to maintain communication so no one gets lost or if something goes wrong. Now these units are fantastic because, as you can see, this is all you actually use within the car. The base of the radio is installed behind the dash area, so that everything else, all the functions, can be controlled from this handpiece here. It lives either neatly on a little rack down there, so you can just sort of put it out of sight, and then you can bring it back up and you can hold it easily. It's quite ergonomically shaped, so it looks pretty good and is easy to handle. It's got lots of smart functions, up to 80 channels. So if you get interference on some, you can move off to another channel, and you can, it's got different functions where you can prioritize channels, for instance. Like we've had a setup where we've monitored the trucking channel as well as our own frequency, so that we know that if any trucks that have been trying to overtake us have been trying to get in communication with us to let us know. And in addition to that, because we've been traveling in convoy, there's a lot of chatter goes on, and sometimes important messages are missed, which can be anything from inconvenient to quite dangerous depending on what that message was. And so a really cool feature of this Uniden unit is the replay feature, and if you push this button, it should...
Yeah mate, as you come over the hill you'll see the campsite just down on the right hand side. It's very steep, so yeah, just take care.
Plays back the last transmission, so at least you don't miss what's being said. Now these things are pretty tough. They're built in Japan for Australian conditions, and we found them to be incredibly robust. Now the smart speaker microphone, as you can see, contains all the controls here, but also there's a lot of noise and distraction on the road, and to maintain clarity and to make sure you can hear everything effectively, the smart microphone here has a speaker, and also the bass unit, as we've said, is hidden behind the dash, also has a speaker. So with two speakers, you won't miss a message. I'd say that we've pretty much come to rely on these Uniden units and wouldn't be without them.